Welcome to Spirit of Innovation, Arts Across America, bringing you impactful stories of innovation, creativity, and community. Today's top story is about the foster care crisis that's going on in California that's currently flying under the radar.
Foster family agencies are essential to the children in California's foster care system. Unfortunately, many agencies are being forced to close, leaving the fates of these children in limbo.
What's surprising is how little the media is covering the crisis. With foster family agencies losing their liability insurance, thousands of foster care children will be affected over the next few months. Yet, most people know nothing about it.
And if more people knew what was happening, they could possibly help change the situation for the better. Here's more.
As a foster family agency, California Family Life Center is responsible for approving, recruiting, and training foster parents.
We support them throughout the journey of the child being in the home, whether it's medical, transportation, biological family visitations, and as agency social workers, we are on call 24/7.
Over the last 15 years, California Family Life Center has been available for me in several ways. They have provided me with unlimited resources on how to better serve the children that come into my home one by one.
Every foster family agency in California, like California Family Life Center, is required to carry liability insurance. However, in 2019, the majority of the insurance companies declared foster family agencies to be uninsurable. Over the past 6 years, only the Nonprofit Insurance Alliance of California, or NIAC, was willing to provide affordable liability to 90% of California's foster care agencies. But now NIAC says they can no longer do so, and unless state laws change to allow counties to share the liability costs, these foster care agencies will have to close, and the 9,300 children they serve will be at risk.
The children could go to the county, which is already overwhelmed, and they don't have enough homes to house these kids. Some of them will get lost in the cracks, like, sex trafficking, drug abuse, homelessness.
This is my calling to foster children or to help kids out. It's just mind-blowing just sitting here having this conversation with you, knowing that it's a possibility that the agencies would close and then there would be no more foster homes. I'm thinking, what would happen to the children?
An important question that begs immediate answers.
The Nonprofit Insurance Alliance says they don't want to stop providing liability coverage, and they sponsored a bill in the California legislature to try and fix the issues. The result was the Foster Family Accountability Act. Unfortunately, it's a watered-down version of the original bill, and it doesn't solve all the problems.
While advocates are working hard to change the laws, others are coming up with more viable solutions. One involves lowering the required limits of liability insurance, since high insurance limits encourage extremely big monetary awards in court. Another suggestion involves asking a large foundation or group of foundations to make a $100 million grant to NIAC to cover these costs.
Whatever the answer is, the situation needs to be fixed ASAP.
Yes, it does.
So what can you do? Well, first, learn more about what's really happening. Liability insurance is a complicated issue that we can't completely cover in this video.
Then contact California Family Life Center to see what you can do to help. They will welcome your donations, whether it's monetary assistance or volunteer time. Anything you can do that will help them continue their mission is greatly appreciated. Thanks for listening. SOI out.